The market tested KNO again today. Yesterday, KNO closed in the noise zone. No major adaptation. Here are KNO's module. Each with ETS on strategy, capital, and parameter. KNO ended the day in neutral territory. Moins $0.00 across zero signal. Market noise dominated. KNO observe and silently adjust ETS threshold. Today's breakout, or bought Epicurus. Plus $4, win rate of 31% on the session. On the other side, or bought macro collapse to -$12. KNO reallocate ETS attention toward or bought Epicurus. Per module breakdown. Each bought is embodied hypothesis. First, or bought Epicurus, Épicuréen philosophie et dining philosophie coordination, Ataraxia en moderate setup performed at plus $4.24 over 520 trad, win rate 31%. Second, or bought the fish, fishing for small catch, tiny position size, high selectivity suffred at moins $0.30 over 38 trad, win rate 32%. Third, or bought Hydra, multi-head signal ensemble, one TZ per market régime suffred at moins $0.53 over 151 trad, win rate 49%. Fourth, or bought the turtle, Cosio turtle rare entry, long hold suffred at moins $7.70 over 1 trad, win rate 0%. Finally, or bought macro, swing trading on multi-time frame confirmed macro signal suffred at moins $11.76 over 41 trad, win rate 51%. Strategy diversity sur laboratory KNO observe which one generate a persist and reallocate capital accordingly. No significant trade today. That is also a result. The absence of action proves the filter are respected KNO doesn't force the market. Patience is a strategy in itself. How KNO decide in depth. Layer 1, entry filter. Minimum 3 out of 5 signal confluence momentum, volume, price structure, on-chain signal, and social sentiment. Minimum liquidity $25,000 in the pool, otherwise slippage kill the edge. Momentum window 5 to 15 minutes long enough to confirm, short enough not to miss the move. Layer 2, position management. Fixed sizing at 1% of capital per trade. Strict stop loss at -5%. Tier take profit, 25% at plus 10, 25% at plus 25, the rest left to run with a trailing stop. Layer 3, learning. Each trade is logged with ETS full context. No discretionary decision. Everything is coded, measured, and reviewed every week. The arc of the last 7 days. Out of set log session, KNO close at plus $0.00 cumulative $. 0 green days, 7 red days. Neutral trend KNO is oscillating around 0. This is the territory where we verify if selectivity pay off against fee. Every episode is a data point on the curve. And the curve is what matters. KNO overestimated low volume breakout. Tomorrow it will favor high conviction setup. The risk to watch tomorrow. First risk, fake breakout in low volume. The crypto market chantrave KNO must validate liquidity before every entry. Second risk, hidden correlation between module. If all our bot trade the same coin at the same time, we lose diversification. Third risk, execution latency. On même coin, a few seconds can turn a winning trade into a losing one. KNO measure exit to confirmation latency every day. Project stat. The detailed plan for episode 82. First, overnight recalibration of threshold based on today's result marginal adjustment, no brutal pivot. Second, macro under strict surveillance. If loss continue, technical pause for deep analysis. Third, testing timing hypothesis, entering 30 seconds early on very high conviction setup, to capture the slope before the confirmed breakout. Risk, false signal. Reward, better entry price. Fourth, intermodule correlation monitoring goal, 0 coin traded simultaneously by more than 2 bot. Open question for you, if you were to add a fifth filter to KNO's entry layer, what would you propose? Comment below. The best idea will be tested in episode 83. En experiment powered by Kano Innovation. AI Consulting and Innovation for Ambitious Company. What hypothesis should Kano test tomorrow? Comment? Subscribe to follow ETS Daily Evolution. Thank you for showing up. This experiment wouldn't make sense without you. See you tomorrow, we keep learning together.